SHKL Sportshine manufacturing base mainly produces high-end solid wood bathroom cabinets, strictly controlling from the selection of raw materials to every production procedure. Each product has a unique ID, effective source checking in case of quality complaints, 100% inspection, careful packaging, combined with digital warehouse management, so that all our storage in and out are orderly. SHKL's Hinyan manufacturing base mainly produces melamine or PVC foil bathroom vanities. Intelligent generation by scanning codes, automatic cutting on multiple plates at the same time, numerical control processing, and advanced edge banding technology form a fully automated, streamlined production, guarantee the manufacturing preciseness and stability, and greatly improves the efficiency of our mass production.